In this video, we will review Mulebuy. Mulebuy.com is an emerging platform that facilitates international shoppers in sourcing products from major Chinese e-commerce sites. It garners a reputation of providing user-friendly offers, offering services such as quality control checks, shipping, and responsive customer support. The platform's design is intuitive, allowing users to track their orders, communicate with agents efficiently. Many customers have praised Mulebuy for its competitive pricing and efficient services, with some shipments arriving around 8 to 13 days, depending on your destination. However, it's always important to note that Mulebuy is a relatively new service, only launched in 2024 April. This short operating history has led to mixed reviews regarding its reliability. Some users have reported delays and issues with lost items or items being broken. Additionally, the platform's low trust score detects from Scam Detector. This is based on factors such as domain age, proximity, and caution. In summary, while Mulebuy offers promising services, with some customer feedback that is varied, always take caution in buying from the website. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.